What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do a spark plug change on my Husqvarna YTH23 V48. Hey guys, the tools you're going to need are a ratchet, extension, 5/8 inch spark plug socket, and the spark plugs themselves. FR45155, two of them. I'll leave the links in the description below. Once you've opened the hood, you need to locate the spark plug wires. Here's the one on the left side. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is remove the spark plug wire. Then, using your ratchet with a 5/8 inch spark plug socket, you're going to loosen the spark plug, turning counterclockwise. Here's the older one. It doesn't look too bad, but the owner's manual recommends replacement after every 100 hours of runtime. Make sure you check the gap on your new spark plug. My engine calls for 4/100ths. This one was a little tight, so I had to adjust it out a little bit. Next, you're going to take it, insert it into the socket, and hand tighten it into the engine. Make sure you hand tighten it all the way down until it's seated. Then you're going to take your ratchet and connect it, and then tighten it down 1/2 turn. This is very important. In my case, I had to do 2 1/4 turns because the ratchet was hitting the tire. You then take the spark plug wire and firmly place it back onto the spark plug. Other side, you do the same exact thing as the first side. Once again, make sure you do the 1/2 turn. Replace the spark plug wire and you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Helps me out a great deal. And we'll see you on the next one.